Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a dipped headlight on a VW Golf. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool. You will need a new H7 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a Torx bit set. Having these items ready makes the process much smoother. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery if you feel unsure. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Open your car's hood and look behind the headlight assembly. You might see some plastic covers or air ducts that need to be moved or removed to gain clear access. Gently unclip the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Be careful not to pull on the wires, as they can be delicate. With the connector off, you can now remove the old bulb. Depending on your Golf model, you might need to release a retaining clip or twist the bulb holder counterclockwise. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new H7 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Almost done, secure the new bulb by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting the holder clockwise until it's snug. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Before closing everything up, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced your dipped headlight. And speaking of great finds, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.